Look at this brand new PSP I got sold on the street for 150 bucks. I got a steal. This thing is brand new. Hello, another bite-sized tech today. We've got this thing. This is a tiny little Temu game console I got from the thrift store for $1. I'm sure they thought it was like a kid's toy or something, but it actually has 100 games on it. It's got some good stuff too, stuff I played when I was a kid, like Primitive Woman and Harry's Story. These little consoles, they come from the land of Temu, if that wasn't obvious, but what they are is they're pretty much something called an NES on a chip, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's an NES on a chip, and it's so small you can put it in like anything. Very riveting gaming experience. I don't even think this has Mario. Most of the knockoffs have Mario, but like going through, ooh, Jump. Maybe that's Mario. All right. I want to play, is Jump. Okay, you're not Mario. But yeah, it's pretty much just 100 NES ROM hacks to try to avoid copyright thrown onto a little cheap Happy Meal toy and sold on Temu for like, dude, I think these things are expensive actually. Getting this for $1 was kind of crazy because I think these things go for like 15 to 20 bucks on Temu, which I think is insane. We've got some good titles on here. Magic Joni, that actually won Game of the Year in 1989, if you didn't know that. First off, I think I'm going to start with Primitive Woman. That one's been catching my eye. I need to know how primitive this woman is. She is very primitive. Okay, I can throw stuff and I could jump. Wait, I can jump on top of the house that's like 400 feet away. This is the slowest walk cycle ever. And everything is just like pibby glitching in the background. I have no, for lack of better words, it's pibby glitching. Harry's Story, I can 100% tell you right now is going to be some sort of Harry Potter ROM hack. It's kind of obvious at this point. There we go. They even got the font down too. Oh, I can pick sand, ice, or grass. Let's do sand. I don't think Harry Potter ever went to the sand, but I never really liked Harry Potter when I was younger. But that just doesn't strike me as something Harry Potter would do, is go to the sand. Can I die? Okay, I can die. It's just so glitched at the bottom. These games are unplayable. And that is not Harry Potter. He's like in a white robe. Dude, I mean, I don't really want to associate with any wizards in white robes, so I'm kind of done with this one. Cool baby. How cool is this baby? Oh, God, he suffocated him. Yeah, he's cool because he's cold. He's dead. This is a dead baby. Fruit Gift and Fruit Pig. Fruit Tree. Okay, so we've got the trilogy going on. Hammer and Nail. Jump. Box in Box. Panda Baby. Dude, these are like Xbox generated gamer tags. I really want to see Magic Joni. 2 players? Where is the second player gonna be? Okay, ladders. I know how to use ladders. Oh, and I just ate that. Can I eat this treasure chest? So is my goal to eat everything? Oh, and I died. Slap Goblin. It's Whack-A-Mole. Yeah, I'm pressing every single button. All right. Oh, it just entered. Wait, I just hit a secret menu. I swear to God that was on accident. I just hit a secret menu just by slamming it. Main device test. Okay. It's a good note to end the video off. If anyone cared about testing this device, you just slam it. Can I? Oh. Yikes. Okay. Can I recreate that? Yeah, I actually don't know how I did that. Okay. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. By the way, only 4% of you guys are subscribed, so basically anyways.